Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle and the notifications right here. All the toggles that we have here. So there it is, so it's called battery saver. It's next to do not disturb mode. So you can tap on it to enable it. As you can see, it turns yellow when it's enabled, and it will restrict things like your background data. So when the device is laying on idly, not being used for some time, it's going to disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile networking, preventing notifications to arrive from that are dependent on the network, but will, in terms of that, save also battery. Now, if you want to extend it a little bit further, you can also drop the brightness of your display. That will save a battery. And apart from that, you can turn off unnecessary features. For instance, if you have Wi-Fi, NFC, mobile network, if you're not using those, you can generally disable them straight from here, and this will also preserve a little bit more battery. And once you're done with the power saving, simply tap on it to disable it, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.